Today on Artful Things, it's all about the coffee stained paper. Coffee stained paper art, that is. In our last episode, I did a small tutorial on how to create coffee stained paper, and now we're going to do some artwork with it. Watch me as I create, cut up, and do something spectacular. I hope that this also gives you some ideas and some tips and tricks. As always, I'm your host, Serena, and this is Artful Things. Let's get started. Alrighty now. Like I said in our last video, I did a small tutorial on how to do coffee stain paper, and I'll link that in the description below. Now we're going to take this beautiful paper and make some art. Yes, coffee stain art. Let's get the party started with some coffee stained paper. I have, I believe that's the Bristol, and some regular old line paper. And this is all going to be on the backdrop of a 12 by 12 board canvas. Yay, yay, yay. I thought I would bring out my original stamps. These stamps are like old, y'all. They're like over 20 years old. They never go bad. Yay! And I'm bringing out other elements that I'm going to do my best to incorporate in this beautiful art. And there's the cast. Yay! I decided not to use gesso because I said so. That never gets old, okay? We're just going to go with just the canvas board as is. And as you can see, I'm doing some tearing, kind of laying things out. I want to take this time now to say thank you again for coming along with me on this journey of art. And I hope you have something to drink and relax, because this is going to be a little doozy. I thought I would ink up the edges because I wanted to, but it also gives character, and we like that. Also, I decided to crumble the paper just for, more texture and interest. That's the way of the artist. As always, I'll be chiming in and out when I feel it's necessary or whatever on my little feeble mind. I do a lot better on these voiceovers than I do with the camera on me, I stiffen up terribly. Hmm. I do enjoy spreading a little water so it'll wick out the ink. I decided to go ahead and stamp the pieces so they won't look so naked. All right, now we're going to apply a little bit of matte medium. Again, a great adhesive for paper on paper or paper to canvas board. It literally melts the paper better than like glue without the bumps. Now it's time to apply some paint. I definitely wanted to keep this kind of monochromatic, not a whole lot going on. At least that was the plan. We'll see. I decided to kind of darken it up a little bit because it did look a little blah. And here's a little close up on the progress so far. Now, here are the stamps. You know, stamp them out. Yeah. And we'll be coming back to them soon. I really wanted to incorporate the elements that I had on the table. And so I came up with a little something. As we approach the grand finale, I just want to say thank you for your time and making it this far into the video. I want all of my art videos to be truly inspiring for you to get out there and take some takeaways and create something great. the sentiment is from a little video game that I'm playing right now, Bendy. And we're going to definitely I am going to go into that a little bit more in a future video. But he carries a little book, and it says, The Illusion of Living. I really dig that. I decided to, matte. Yeah, to matte this stamp image just to give it a little bit more of a pop and interest. Again, thank you so much. And the grand finale is around the corner. I love YouTube. Bye-bye.